Hi there, this is Colony with HQ Scales. Here's another quick tip on your belt scale. So let's say you are trying to troubleshoot some things and, things are just not looking right. So what I recommend doing is first, from the home screen, you can press the button 4, and that's a quick access to your sensors. So here I would look at all of our load cells and the angle sensor, and I would write these down and just make sure, okay, let's see, let's write those down and then come back. So here, from there, after you write them down, let's go to the menu button and let's go to calibration. And what we want to do is actually look at our calibration values. So here we will look at our base cal. This is the your calibration for a test weight calibration or a material test calibration. So here I would write down what your base cal is. So every time you set up your scale, you have to enter idler spacing. You also enter load cell capacity and what your speed sensor is. So that information is all correlating to how our base cal also will come out as. So typically after you enter all of that information and you perform a test weight calibration or a material test calibration, your base cal should always be right around 1.0. Sometimes you will see like a 1.2 or a 0.8. So that is an indicator that we are having to compensate for something mechanical that is happening. So that's just a little quick tip there on your base cal should be right around a 1. And if it is different, especially if it's a 2, that tells me maybe your load cell capacity is not correctly entered. After you write down your base cal, let's also look at your 0 number. Here, since this is on my test stand, obviously a typical 0 weight is not 4.5 pounds. However, this is on my test stand here in the office. So just make sure that your 0 values look to be about the same. There may be some difference in between here. If you're a single idler, then you will only have 2 load cells, like with our rocket scale. You will see 1 and 2. 3 and 4 will be zeroed. However, if you have like a dual idler scale, then you will have all 4 load cells reading a value. So after you write down these values, let's just go back and just double check, did any of those values look wrong or off? So from here is where you can really start going down the path on maybe something is throwing a red flag and you need to investigate a little bit more. A lot of times it could be a damaged wire, a bent load cell, something along those lines that can be easily remedied and fixed. Again, if all else fails, give us a call at HQ Scales so we can help you walk through anything and go through your troubleshooting with you. So our number is 815-249-9840. Just give us a call and we can help you walk through anything. Thanks again for watching.